Mix chicken, cheese, and seasonings. Fill the bread and seal the edges. Brush generously with garlic butter. Toast until perfectly golden. Save this recipe and comment bread if you want full recipe. Save this recipe and comment bread if you're trying it. This could become every kid's favorite lunchbox. This little trick makes them feel like real mini pizza. Cut each bread slice into perfect mini pizza rounds. Now add the pizza flavor. Don't be shy with the cheese. Add your favorite toppings. A little seasoning makes a big difference. Now let's melt all that cheesy goodness. In just a couple of minutes, they're hot, cheesy, and ready to enjoy. Perfect for school lunches or a quick snack. Save this lunchbox idea and comment pizza if you want the full recipe. Let's make crispy Nutella French toast roll-up. Start with soft, crustless bread. Flatten each slice until it's nice and thin. Spread a generous layer of Nutella. Roll them up nice and tight. Whisk together eggs, milk, and vanilla. Coat every roll evenly. Cook in butter until every side is golden. Now finish with warm Nutella. Just look at that gooey chocolate center. Perfect for lunch boxes, breakfast. Save this recipe and comment Nutella if you want the full recipe. Start with a large flour tortilla. Spread pizza sauce over 1/2. Load it with your favorite pizza toppings. Add seasoning for that pizza shop flavor. The secret is extra cheese. Fold it over and press gently. Toast until golden and crispy. You decide. Save this recipe and comment pizza if you want the full recipe. This might be the easiest lunchbox win you'll make this week.